Are you tired of feeling misunderstood because of your pronunciation? If you've ever struggled with English vowel sounds, you're not alone. Today, we'll fix that. Stay tuned as I reveal common vowel mispronunciations and how you can sound more fluent and confident in English. Welcome back to English Masters. In this video, we're diving into the world of English pronunciation, specifically focusing on vowel sounds that many learners find tricky. Mispronouncing these can change the entire meaning of a word, leading to awkward and even funny misunderstandings. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. Part 1, The Importance of Vowel Sounds. Vowel sounds form the core of many English words. A simple change in how you pronounce a vowel can transform bit into beat or hat into heart. The difference in these sounds lies in how long and wide you open your mouth and where your tongue is placed. Part 2, Common mistakes with vowel sounds. One common mispronunciation is between the short I in sit and the long ee in seat. Many non-native speakers end up using a sound that s somewhere in between, leading to confusion. Another frequent mix-up is between a in cat and e in bet. These subtle shifts can completely alter the meaning of a word. Part 3, Quick tips to perfect your pronunciation. 1. Practice with minimal pairs. These are words that only have one sound different, like ship versus sheep or fit versus feet. Repeating these words can help fine-tune your ear to these differences. 2. Exaggerate the sounds. When practicing, make the vowel sound longer and louder than usual. This helps train your muscle memory. 3. Use online tools. There are excellent resources like Forvo or Youglish, where you can listen to native speakers pronouncing words with various accents. New insights from recent research. According to linguists, one of the main reasons for vowel mispronunciation is how different vowel systems are in various languages. For example, English has around 20 distinct vowel sounds, while other languages may have fewer, causing speakers to default to the closest sound in their native language. A 2024 study published in the Journal of Linguistic Studies highlighted that practicing with native pronunciation software significantly improved learners' vowel clarity within just a month. Part 4, Exercises for better vowel sounds. Mirror practice. Watch your mouth movement in the mirror when practicing tricky vowel sounds. Pay attention to the shape of your mouth and tongue position. Record and compare. Record yourself saying specific vowel sounds and compare them with native speakers. This will help you catch subtle differences and adjust accordingly. Conclusion. Mastering vowel sounds isn't just about sounding better, it's about communication and confidence. Mispronouncing vowels can be the difference between fun and fan or live and leave. Now that you know where to start, it's time to practice, and remember, the key to improvement is consistency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Root Reading SSE for more tips on improving your English skills, and comment below on which vowel sound you struggle with the most. Let's work on it together. Would you like to add more examples or any specific visual or interactive elements to this script?